Hello friends, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. Today we'll learn fanned buttonhole stitch. We can put this stitch in curved lines and in circles. I'll show you how to put this fanned buttonhole stitch in this curve. I have taken 3 strands and put a knot in one end like this and insert the needle through the fabric at one point and then insert the needle outside the line and take it out on the line, thread below the needle, and this is buttonhole stitch. We have put one buttonhole stitch and once again you put another buttonhole stitch nearby, thread below the needle and pull over. After finishing 2 buttonhole stitches, insert the needle through both the stitches like this and the thread above the needle at first and then below the needle and pull over. You will get a knot joining both the buttonhole stitches. Once again we will put 2 more buttonhole stitches on the curved line. And after finishing 2 buttonhole stitches, insert the needle through 2 stitches, thread above the needle and then below the needle and pull over to make a knot joining both the stitches. Once again put 2 more buttonhole stitches like this. Then insert the needle through both the stitches, thread above the needle and then below the needle and pull over to make a knot joining both the stitches. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I have given all the embroidering stitches links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. If you like this video, share with your friends and click the like button. Also subscribe for my channel for learning more embroidering stitches. I have finished the fanned buttonhole stitch now, and this is the back view of the stitch. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you for watching.